surprise, eh? After all these years. Come to see the grave, have we? Well, the corpse is up there if you want to have a look. No? Good. Because we've got some old business to finish, me and you, haven't we?
Leave him alone,
hey,
right? Just
hey,
leave him
shut
alone.
up, Carol, please. Please, babe. Now, where were we?
Get off him, David!
See how we get, son? There's
Don't
plenty
you
more
touch him
where to
again,
go.
Derek! He's going, right? He's leaving! Don't you dare hurt him!
That's true, is
Go
it?
on.
You
He's
on your
leaving.
way, are you? Hey?
David!
Get out of my way. Get out my way. Get out of my way.
Leave him alone!
This ain't over, David! I see you again, you're a dead man! A dead man! Ian? What is it? What's happened?